Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the 5-minute quick finishers. Today we're doing a 5-minute quick finisher for the abs and we're using sliders. Let's get started. 5 minutes, 5 exercises. Who's excited? Okay. Timer is on. We're starting in 10 seconds. Quick knee pulse, alternating the legs. Get ready. And right knee in, back. Left knee in, back. Right. High plank position, body is aligned, and just keep breathing. Lovely. Side plank, only one foot on a slider, and now in, out to the top foot, in, out, in, out. We can go for 30 seconds on each side. With exhale, exhale, and switch sides quickly. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay, both legs on the slider, knee pulls, both legs at the same time this time. Woo. Ready? And in, out, in, out. You can do this on your forearms as well. In, out, in, out. In, out, in, out. Okay, one slider, this time side plank, and the slider is with the bottom leg. Side plank and in, out, keep the leg straight, in, out, slide it in and up, back down. And switch sides. Ready? And in, back, in, back. Oh, nice job. The last exercise is plank pikes. One slider only, you can use only one. Both feet, both toes on the slider. And now, up, keep the leg straight, back, up, back, up, back, Nice job everyone, well done. This was your 5-minute quick finisher for the abs and we are using sliders. See you tomorrow. That was amazing, well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free, fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety, Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.